some people also ask me, ma'am, how do I decide whether which course I should go for? Now, I must say that the differentiating factor is your base. If your base is decent in maths, then you must try for ISI this year itself. But if you are starting out or that your base is not very good, then I would say the course for you is the CUET Crash Course. Now, the CUET Crash Course we have launched for students who don't want to target the top college, who want to target, let's say, a JNU, let's say a CDS Kerala, let's say a Madras School of Economics or Gokhale, such type of colleges. You don't want to target the colleges which have harder level of maths. So for you, the CUET course is there. Now, of course, there is one BSc, which is in the middle. It's a hard course, but it is part of CUET. So if your target is DSC, you must take the ISI Crash Course and not the CUET Crash Course.